The River Foss Society has been measuring the water quality along the river since 2016. We do this at 5 different points between Sheriff Hutton in the north and Rowntree Wharf in the city. The results are then recorded on the Dales to Vales Rivers Trust website for future use. Each month, pairs of volunteers go out to their various sampling points. This one is at Haxby Weir. Once on site, they get their kit ready, notebook, timer and sampler. Having taken the sample, the first job is to check the turbidity. The turbidity is a measure of the suspended solids in the river, and you can see in the background that the river is running quite fast. There was quite a bit of rain overnight. A lot of the suspended solids would be soil that's come off the fields upstream due to over-rapid drainage. The Secchi tube is a cylinder with a black and white disc in the bottom. And what you have to do is to get the water column so that you can just about see the disc in the bottom. Once you've done that, then you can hold it up, have a look at the gradations on the side and make a note of the reading. And that's the first job done. The next thing to do is to take the chemical samples. We use tubes supplied by Waterwatch. They contain a number of chemicals, and the idea is to squeeze the tube, put it under water, fill it to about half full, give it a really good shake, and then stand and wait. It takes between 3 and 5 minutes depending on which sample it is for the colour to develop. It's a chance to have a look around and see what's going on. Once the colour is developed, you can compare it with the chart. This, being pink, is a nitrate tube. And when it's held up to the light, you can see it's fairly dark to the right hand side, so nitrate is quite high, which is what we normally find. This one is phosphate to the left hand side, quite low, again what we normally find. You can see the nitrate levels are quite low at Sheriff Hutton. It goes up rapidly at Woolbots and then gradually diluted downstream. The phosphate is fairly random, and I think this is because it's quite difficult to measure, the results being quite low.